Toby's burying his greenie. Oh my lord. This dog is too much. But I love our Yorkies. That's right, bury it. Bury that greenie. And then you're gonna just dig it right back up and eat it. And what's Kaya doing? She's going, what the hell are you doing?
Was that a noise, Kaya? Someone make a noise. Huh? I disturbed you? I'm sorry. The neighbors disturbed you? Didn't disturb him.
No, he doesn't care. Ooh, that disturbed you. What's that? Ooh, don't like that noise.
I don't like that noise, Mama.
Oh, goodbye. How do you turn this off?